Tattered Tumbleweed, 1405 West American Boulevard in Muleshoe, where Gina is rolling out a new large shipment of shirts by Wrangler, Cinch, Cruel Girl, and Ariat. Get them while the selection is the best. All purses now marked down 25% off, and women's long sleeve shirts and blouses all on sale at 20% off. Perfect for your Super Bowl party, the great line of Fredericksburg Farms barbecue sauces, grilling glazes, South Texas salsa verde, and much more. Baby shower selections for Kanan and Mindy Heinrich now available at Tattered Tumbleweed in Muleshoe. Don't forget about their great line of work boots at 1405 West American Boulevard in steel and non-steel toe, waterproof, and great brands like King, Timberland, Justin, Durango, Red Wing, and they'll stretch your boots for free when you buy them at Tattered, or bring your boots in that you bought elsewhere and they'll stretch them for $10. Valentine's Day is just around the corner at Tattered, and they have a great selection of perfume by Rock and Rodeo, Gypsy Kiss, Annie Justin, Love by Perry Ellis, and more. Get her a beautiful birthstone ring, perfect for Valentine's. Spirit cups, wallet cards, jewelry dishes, Park Hill candles, lotion bottles, soap, and hand wash, all available at Tattered Tumbleweed, just right for Valentine's Day at 1405 West American Boulevard. See them Tuesday through Fridays, 10 a.m. till 6 p.m., and Saturdays, 10 a.m. till 2 p.m., closed on Sundays and Mondays.